Hello everybody! Welcome back again to my channel to Cooking with Diska. Today I'm going to share with you how to make sambal. But before we get to the recipe, let me explain you a little bit what a sambal is. So sambal is chili sauce or chili paste that we use mostly in Indonesian food as a condiment or a base for cooking. And in Indonesia we have a lot of sambal recipe, and every country, every city, they have their own sambal specialty for the recipe. And for today I will show you how to make sambal for soup. So this sambal for soup we can use for soupy food as a condiment if you like spicy, just like if you can put in clear soup, or the last video I made, chicken noodle and mushroom or mie ayam jamur, you can use this sambal soup recipe as well as a condiment. And this is very easy and simple recipe, so let's get started. For today's recipe we have 1 liter of water to boil the ingredients, half lemon juice, salt, 2 garlic and 2 candlenut, and 15 green Thai chili bird. And for the chili, I use green one today, but you can definitely use the red Thai bird chili. Because I usually make sambal like big one for 1 jar, and I already have the red one, so for today I'm gonna make the green one. First we boil the water. When the water boils, we add chili, garlic and candlenut. We boil until the ingredients cook. After boil from 5 to 10 minutes, we can take out our chili and the rest of the ingredients to the food processor. Add half lemon juice, salt, and give a little bit of water to make it easier as to blend. After we blend until smooth, now we're going to put in our serving bowl. That's it guys, our sambal for soup is ready. It's very easy and simple recipe, isn't it? But if you're spicy lover, it can change your life, believe me, when you mix with your soupy food. So today, I will demonstrate it to you how to eat this sambal with the soupy food, okay? Take as much as you want, it depends how you like. For me, because I love spicy so much, I will bang on. Oh yes, really have a good punch in it. Ooh, spicy and citrusy, very refreshing. When you have a flu, straight away you will heal with this. By the way guys, I eat oxtail soup. If you would like to know how to make oxtail soup, please check out my other video next week. So thank you very much guys for today for watching my video. And don't forget to check out my mie ayam jamur or chicken noodle video if you want to know how to use this sambal. And also I'm going to show you how to make oxtail soup in the next video. Also you can use this sambal for this. If you like my video today, please give me your thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channel for more another inspiration Indonesian home cooking. Thank you guys for today and see you next time. Bye.